At home with Power BI, I'm Hyperlink for Sigma BI. Today I'm going to show you how to add hyperlinks into your reports. Now I'm going to show you two ways. I'm going to show you one, how to add a hyperlink to an image, and two, how to add a hyperlink to a word or a phrase in a text box. Now this will be good for your reports if you are showing it to any customers or clients and you want to assign it to your company website or any further information. This is the way to do it. Okay, let's go do this. Let's go. So adding a hyperlink in Power BI in your reports is a good way to direct anybody who is looking through your reports to your website or YouTube channel, which I'm going to show you now. So first of all, I'm just going to show you how to do the image. So if we just select let's just do the Power BI image of mine. So this is at home with Power BI. It's the image. So you may have this in the corner, whichever one. Okay, so now we're going to say, right, okay, I want this to go to my YouTube channel. So if I select on that and go down to action on the format image, click on, set down, and then what it'll tell you is type. So if you select on type and then you click on web URL, it'll then tell you to put in the web URL, which website you want to go to. So I'm just going to get my website up, YouTube channel, paste that in there, and that should do the trick. So now when I hover over it, it's saying, right, okay, click to follow, and that brings it up. As you can see, it's just come up there. Okay, let's take that out. Right, another way is adding a hyperlink to a text. So say for example you are writing description, or you want to put your name of your website in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put at home Power BI. I'm going to put it's a cool. So I'm going to say, right, okay, so this at home with Power BI, I want to create a link. So you highlight it and then you go on to the link sign, which should come up when you have a text box. And then it will tell you, okay, let's it'll tell you which one you want in there. And I'm going to say paste my YouTube channel on there, and then that should do it. So now you can see it's got a hyperlink on it, and that will go to the website. So just a quick show you, it's done it and it's come up on the other page. And then finally, if I wanted to do my name, so if I wanted to put a hyperlink now on my name and I wanted to do it to my LinkedIn, I'll just go to my LinkedIn page, go back, and the hyperlink in there, and that's it, that's done. You can obviously edit and remove that as well when you highlight it. So if you just click into it, it'll tell you if you want to remove it or not. And that's how you add hyperlinks to your reports, to your images, and to text. Hope that helps. If there's any questions that you have, leave it in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel, and hope you enjoyed it. Thanks again, guys. At home with Power BI with me, Hyperlink. Learn with us by subscribing to our channel to get updated on our latest videos.